let's see how we extract the granite from the ground. We start by drilling what we call pilot holes. These pilot holes will become the edges of our block and determine its length, width, and depth. Then we use diamond wire saws, which are extremely long plasticized wires with metal junctions called annuli, fitted with crushed diamonds. If you're wondering why we're using diamonds, it's because diamond is the hardest naturally occurring substance on Earth, allowing it with sufficient friction to cut through granite. To obtain the necessary friction, the wire is wrapped around a series of idler wheels powered by a motor, making the wire travel at around 3,937 feet per minute. The engine then slowly moves back along a track, pulling the wire deeper in the stone block until the desired depth, length, or height is achieved. Then we use the same method of wire sawing to cut the bottom of the block as well. Once the bottom cut has been made, one of two techniques is used to tip the blocks down so that the loader can carry them away. One is by attaching a long steel arm to a wheel loader that pushes the block until it tips forward. But to eliminate the chances of these gigantic blocks breaking when they strike the granite beneath, we pile up dust and dirt under the falling stone to absorb the impact. The other clever option utilizes a simple bag, similar to an ordinary Ziploc bag, but much larger, and made from metal. This bag is inserted in the cut created by the wire saw and then filled with water or air. The expanding bag then generates enough pressure on the walls to tip the block. We then have a large block free from the larger block around which we sawed. We continue cutting the big block into these smaller blocks, much like slicing a loaf of bread, but resulting in slices that may weigh as much as 25 tons. These blocks then travel to a building to be cut into thinner pieces called slabs that are then sent to the factory where they begin their creative transformation.